Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install games in your laptop for free. So let's begin our video. The process is very easy and simple. So first of all, you just need to connect the internet to your laptop, and then here you can see on this taskbar there have an option Microsoft Store. So you just need to open this Microsoft Store. So right now you can see it's loading, and in this left side you can see gaming section. Just select this gaming. Here you can see gaming icon. Just select it. Right now you can see a lot of games is showing here. Some games are free, some games are paid. You just need to pay for install it. So I'll show you how to install free games to your laptop. Just open, you just need to select your games which one you like most. Otherwise there have an option for search. Just go to on the top, there have a search option. You can type your game name like car, then like select just car games. Here you can see a lot of games is here. So if you want to download and install any games to your laptop, just select it. Like I just select this on, so I just simply open it, and after open it, here you can see it's loading. You just need to wait for a few seconds. So after that, you can see there have an option get. You just need to click on this get option. Just click here get, and then it's automatically download and install to your laptop automatically. You don't need to do anything. Just click on get. That's it guys. In this way you can download and install games to your laptop very easily. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.